part 2 of my magazine craft. So I have just cut out all the labels I want to use. This is from the previous video. If you don't have two of the same labels, just cut out the shape as I'm doing here and glue it together. First, I'm making a corn, so I'm taking yellow clay and making cuts to look like corn. Next, I'm making white and brown rice, so I'm rolling small pieces. If you don't want to make anything to put inside, just stuff it with cotton. I did the similar thing with other products. Next, to make dog food, I've just cut out strips of foam sheet and then I'm cutting them up into smaller pieces. To make spaghetti, I'm just cutting rubber bands. Simple as that. Next, to make salad, I just cut strips of different color foam sheet and then cutting them up into smaller pieces, just like the dog food. To make Kit Kats, I cut small bars of chocolate of brown foam sheet. Next, cut small squares of red paper to make the package like this. Next, to make poppable snacks, I'm just taking yellow clay and making balls. To make white chocolate bars, I just rolled out white clay and I'm going to cut it into its shape. This looks a bit messy, so I have done it again. Next, I'm taking small bits of different colored clay and adding it into the chocolate to look like sprinkles. It looks pretty cute, right? Next, to make popcorn, I have taken a small piece of tissue paper and then rolled it, and then I'm adding brown spots. It looks exactly like a popcorn. I'm making popsicles. I've already shown how to make boxes like this, and you can watch my previous video. To make popsicle, I've taken yellow clay and then I'm flattening it and taking a skewer and pressing it 3 times on the popsicle. Then I'm taking a smaller piece of skewer and gluing it to the popsicle. Simple as that. And we're finally done. I like all these products, especially the icy pole and the Kit Kat. They look especially realistic. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!